You ever hit send on a WhatsApp message and just for a split second wonder what actually happens next? I mean, you tap your screen and boom, it's on your friend's phone, maybe halfway across the world. But what is that journey really like? Well, what happens in that tiny fraction of a second is this incredible, totally invisible process, and we're about to pull back the curtain on it.
Yeah, that's exactly the right way to think about it. It's not just one single leap, it's a super fast, high-tech relay race. Your message is the baton and it gets passed between all these different checkpoints at pretty much the speed of light. But before this race can even start, your message has to get ready. It needs a disguise. So the very first step in this whole journey isn't about going fast. It's about being secure and efficient. Your phone has to get your message ready for the wild, open road of the internet. And to do that, it has to break it down and wrap it up really, really tight. Okay, so here's how it works in 3 quick steps. First, you write your message. Easy enough, we all do that part. But then, instantly, your phone takes that message, whether it's just text, a photo, a video, whatever, and shatters it into these tiny little digital pieces called packets. And then, for the final step, every single one of those packets gets encrypted, which basically means it gets locked inside its own digital safe. This is the perfect analogy. Every single packet is like a sealed envelope. On the outside, you've got the address, it knows where it's going, but what's inside? Total secret. It's all scrambled into unreadable code. So nobody, not your Wi-Fi provider, not anyone, can peek inside while it's on its way. And this is all thanks to a super important security method, end-to-end encryption. What this means is that the special digital key that can unlock and put all those secret envelopes back together only exists on your phone and on the phone of the person you're sending it to. That's it. It's not on WhatsApp servers, not anywhere in the middle. This is what keeps your conversations private, which is so important today. Okay, the envelopes are sealed. It's time for the race to begin.
All right, so our message is disguised as a bunch of these little encrypted envelopes. Now it's ready to travel across this huge global network. This is where that digital relay race really kicks into high gear.
So first, the packets shoot out of your phone, through your Wi-Fi or your cell network. Their first big stop is one of WhatsApp's secure servers. Now, you can think of these servers as like a crazy efficient postal sorting office. They can't read what's in the envelopes, but they can read the address on the outside. They just check the destination and instantly figure out the fastest possible path to get those packets to the recipient. And how long does this whole trip take? You know, from your phone to a server, maybe across an ocean, to your friend's device. The whole thing happens in milliseconds. It's just an absolutely mind-boggling feat of engineering that's happening billions and billions of times a day, completely out of sight.
So the race is almost over. The packets have crossed the finish line, they've arrived at the recipient's phone, but the journey isn't officially complete until the message is delivered, and you get that final, satisfying confirmation we all know that we all know.
And this is where all that invisible tech connects to what we actually see on our screens. That first little gray tick, that means your message has successfully reached the WhatsApp server. The race is officially started. When you see 2 gray ticks, that means the message has been delivered to your friend's device. The packets have arrived. And those famous 2 blue ticks, that's the final signal. It means the envelopes have been opened, the message has been put back together, and it's been seen. The race is officially, successfully complete. So the next time you tap that send button, just take a second to remember what's happening behind the scenes. It's not just one simple action. It's this whole incredible system of breaking things down, locking them up for safety, and sending them on a high-speed race across a global network. It's a powerful, invisible journey every single time.
It really makes you think, doesn't it? This is just one of these ridiculously complex systems that we rely on every single day without giving it a second thought. So what other invisible networks are out there, quietly shaping our world, hiding in plain sight?